Find or read reviews that people are talking about. Sixcow R0357600 for Zodiac Jandy Cartridge Filter Manifold Top Assembly Replacement. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. To last, constructed of premium grade PVC plastic material, heavy duty and not easy to crack. Waterproof, corrosion and rust resistance. Shockproof and impact resistant for long-lasting reliability. Ready to withstand rough, frequent use and withstand extreme weather. Design solid manifold construction securely and easily grips filter cartridges in your CV or CL filter. Easy fix filter cleaning and running issues due to old, cracked or worn out manifold. No more debris passes through the filter through a cracked or damaged portion. Installation one-piece design, easy to install by hand only, suitable for DIY. Simply turn off the pool pump. Remove the filter tank top. Then, remove the manifold assembly by lifting it off of the outlet tube and out of the tank. Replace with new replacement and connect the hole to the pipe. Do everything in reserve and you're ready to go. User installation manual included. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.